Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today it's Watch Along Wednesday once again. Today we're going to be carrying on with sort of my project reactions for Blue Web Network's history, and today we're going to continue on with the next animation short in line, Rangers of the Railway. Now this is the one where voice acting truly came into the fold with the network in not so great a fashion from what I remember. But no, just a very simple narrative short that had voice acting for the first time brought into the picture. Yeah, I'm not expecting great things from this, to be honest, looking back on it, but yeah, all these Lego stories were kind of a moment in time, so the early days of Blue Web Network animation. So yeah, I'm just gonna tough it out and pay respects to the past here. Yeah, let's just get this over and done with and hope that it's at least half decent.
It all started with a train. Myself and Josie built it ourselves, though I couldn't do most of the heavy lifting.
That's a choice for an opening shot.
The first sign of civilization we ever knew. It came to be known as Railway Outpost.
Oh my god.
Oi, taxi man, someone's coming.
Oh no. Oh no.
Hello, dear. Do you think you can help us?
I don't know about no dear, but my name's Zip. Sorry, I can't. We're just as confused as you guys are.
How do they look different to us? That I didn't know then, but the world was changing. I'd know soon enough. Where is the fire chief?
Mabel,
Yes, dear?
I think he's over there.
Alright then, let's see if we can make any sense of this.
That sweeping shot was probably the only decent thing so far at all.
Hello, sir. We were wondering if you had a place where us travellers could get some rest.
We don't, I'm afraid. We're struggling around here, I'm sure you know. Places outside of these parks are doing better though. No one can make sense of all this. There's a taxi man right out those doors. I'm sure he'll be able to help you. I'm sorry I can't do the same, but he's your best bet.
That's alright, my love. Thank you all the same.
Go along now. Good luck.
Who? I can take you anywhere you'd like. Where do you want to go?
I'd love to know, except I'm not too sure where we're supposed to go.
That's no problem. I know just the place.
Let's go.
Oh Lord above. Oh my god, Emily is the only good part about this, my god. What the hell am I watching? Oh my god. Right. Be kind, do your best, and always remember, you are enough. My god.